want to start?
Okay, I'm trying to show you close up, so it's how to get these rails in. The rail clips behind, see the little lug there, that, and then you've got the wheel, the black wheel. The wheel has to sit in this little channel, the black channel, so that slots in there. It's difficult to do it with one hand and film it at the same time, but it is quite easy. So it pushes in, and you can see the mitre goes butt up to the other one. And then that's it, that's in there. That wheel's located in the trough. And the rest at the other end, that just slots in behind that clip what we fitted earlier in the corner. So basically, that slots in there, and then that just leaves these screws to put in these little holes here. It's not going to fall down anywhere. You don't need anybody to hold it for you. As soon as it's all clicked in, it's safe. So I'm just going to put the other side on, and then we'll stick the screws in. Right, that mitre goes there. So locate it behind that lug. You can see that there, and then push up, and the mitre goes butt up there, and the other end's quite loose. So just move to the other end and push that up there. So that's both the runners in. I've just got to put the screws in now. I'll pass you back so I can carry on and do that. Right, these are the screws that came in the kit. There's 7 come in the kit. You only need 6. That's there just if you drop one. Right, so one. 2. 3. On the side. 4. 5. Last one. 6. Now, to remove the red plastic bits, there's a little tag on the end. Just pull it out and then twist it to the side, and that's off. Bin it, you don't need that anymore. Can you see the other one from there? Pull the plastic bit out, twist it around, that comes unclipped. Don't need that anymore. So that's all done, all complete. So we just put the remote together.
Done.
Which has the batteries in the back, just same as any standard piece of equipment. Obviously it's got a little picture of a house on it, so it tells you which way up it goes. This fixes to the wall. You press the down button to open it, and you press the up button to close it. So that should, it's not magic, but it looks like magic. And that's it. It's got an automatic stopper on it, so you don't have to press the stop button or anything. It's there. But if you wanted to stop it, the middle button stops it from doing what it was doing. So basically, that's the closing it, stop. Open it, So now the window's opening. You push the middle button, can you see it? And it stops. And you can send it the other way from there. And that'll stop on its own. Swift. Nice. So we've just got to fix the remotes to the wall now. We've labelled them all up to which one does what, 'cause there's 4 of them. We'll fix them all basically below where they're going, but we haven't finished decorating yet, so we're not going to do it just yet. So we've marked on that one patio blinds, because that's a patio door and that is the patio blinds. The other 3 are called something else. Okay, thank you for watching. Share and subscribe.